Let's take 15 seconds to get situated into your space. If it's daylight out, try to sit in a warm, sunny spot, or at least facing towards the sun, moon, or brightness, so long as it isn't too distractingly bright, and find a comfortable seated position. As you settle in, close the eyes and make any last physical adjustments. Bring the hands to rest on the knees or the thighs, and let the palms face up. This hand positioning reminds us to be open to receiving during today's practice. As you find stillness now in the body, start to notice the movement of the breath. There's no right or wrong in what you notice. It's just about the practice of becoming aware of your breath. Bring your mind now to the present, the presence of your breath, the presence of this moment, the presence of you. Let go of anything else that may be arising outside of the now. And start to inhale slowly through the nose. And when you get to the peak of your inhalation, pause briefly, then slowly exhale until you feel your abdominals contract. Again, inhale, making it slow and long. Pause, and exhale slowly. An extended exhalation. Another round whenever you're ready. Inhaling, filling up. Pausing before exhaling and releasing. Keep going with your breath on your own, letting the breath cycle take over, simply breathing here in the present. As you continue to breathe, focus on where your breath is originating. Keep with the breath. We want to let the breath originate from the diaphragm area, so between the chest and the abdomen. This is a more functional way of breathing, so keep going, extending your inhalation slowly. Pause. And exhale slowly. Go at your own pace, gentle, slow, extended, but not too forceful. It should feel like a smooth, continuous loop. Keep breathing. On your next breath cycle, bring your attention to how you feel right now. Whatever it is, it's okay. Just notice and feel that emotion, whatever arises. Breathe it in with an inhale, acknowledging your current emotion. And exhale, acknowledging that the current moment is ever changing. Inhale, pause, exhale. Stay with the breath, keep breathing on your own. This emotional acceptance helps us come to terms with our reality, but the reality is that everything we feel is fleeting. It will come and it will go. How you feel now may not be what you feel later. So keep breathing, remembering your slow inhale from the diaphragm, pause, and your slow exhale. Breathing through. Now with your breath, inhale, noticing the light, radiance, and warmth around you. And exhale, still feeling that warmth, that positivity. Keep breathing on your own, still noticing, perhaps feeling the rays of sunshine beaming down on your skin, or the warmth of your spot, or the brightness in your eyelids. Whatever it is, just feeling. Inhale slowly and deeply, absorbing all of the goodness. Pause. Exhale slowly and deeply, feeling maybe a little more peaceful. Again, inhale slowly, bringing in whatever unique positivity that's emanating from your space. Pause. Exhale. Really feeling it, feeling maybe more serenity. Keep with the breath as you explore the little bits of positivity and energy in your life. Keep going, keep feeling, and mentally observe how the hands are open to receiving energy. Notice the possibility of more positivity, which comes in many forms. Stay with the breath. Using the breath, open yourself up to positivity that you deserve right in this moment. You are deserving. Inhaling, breathing more life into your body, more radiance into your mind as you pause. And exhale slowly, feeling the effects of your breath cycle. Breathe here on your own. This is your practice. Just a few more cycles, soaking in as much light as you can, breathing through this process. Creating your present moment as a current of positive energy. Again, inhale, this time noticing how you feel right now. Pause and exhale, still feeling. Keep going with your breath and continue to observe how you feel. Do you feel physically warm or cozy? Emotionally serene or energized? Do your receiving hands feel light, heavy, or tingly? Just observe. Again, any answer is okay. This is just a practice, so just observe. Stay with your breath. And inhale. Pause. Exhale. Again, inhale. Pause. Exhale. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Keeping your eyes closed for a few more moments, and last inhale, start to slowly lift both arms up overhead, reaching towards the sky. Hold the breath briefly, and exhaling as you bring the arms back down slowly. Allow your breath to drift back to its natural state from here. And as you take this practice with you, remember that the current moment is constantly changing, but that you have the tools to bring yourself into a serene space worthy of generating, receiving, and even giving positive energy. You can always choose to come back to your breath and to protect your energy. Namaste. Thank you for joining me in this practice. If you liked it, give it a comment, a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more videos like this.